Finally, let's take a quick look at how to track your mail, pull invoices, and check delivery info once your job's been sent. After your mail has been printed and processed, you can find everything under the projects section of the main Click2Mail website. That's where each job you've submitted shows up with its current status, whether it's waiting, in production, or already mailed. You'll also see the job numbers listed there. Super helpful if you ever need to contact support or cancel something last minute. Just give them that number and they'll know exactly what you're talking about. Now, if you want to dive deeper into the numbers, things like cost, quantity, postage, you can click into any job and hit View Details or View Invoice. That'll break everything down for you. For example, you might see something like printing, 27 cents, postage, 42 cents, total per piece, 69 cents, right on budget. There's also a section for tracking information, but just a heads up, tracking only becomes available after the piece has been printed and submitted to the USPS. If your job hasn't reached that point yet, it'll just say not available. Once it's live, you'll be able to see when it was accepted, sorted, and even delivered, depending on the level of tracking used. One last thing, if you're ever unsure about the invoice, want to export the details, or need proof for billing, everything's downloadable from that screen. Super simple. So yeah, from start to finish, you've got total visibility. And that's it. That wraps up the full Click2Mail Connect Plus Salesforce walkthrough. You now know how to build a mail merge document, upload data, set up your Salesforce object, trigger automated sends, and track the results. If you ever need more help, you can always visit our knowledge base or reach out to support at 866-886-2787. Thanks for watching and happy mailing.